The fifth quadrilateral we shall consider is said to be the kite. The kite is also a four-sided plane shape with the following properties: that two pairs of adjacent sides are equal, that is, these two sides are said to be adjacent and they are equal, as well as these two sides, they are equal and adjacent. The main axis is the line of symmetry. This is the main axis and is said to be a line of symmetry because it divides it into two equal parts or two equal shapes. But if you look at this, it is not a line of symmetry because this, the upper part of the kite, is not equal to that of the lower part. So this diagonal is not a line of symmetry. Okay? I will say the diagonals intersect at right angle. Yes. So this is angle 90, same with this and this as well. A pair of opposite angles are equal. That is to say, this angle is equal to this angle, as well as this angle is equal to this angle. Kindly note, of all I have shown you, you agree with me that it is only a rectangle and a square that their angles are said to be equal. That of a rhombus and parallelograms, their angles are not equal, but rather the pair of opposite angles are said to be equal. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes.